up your white tee. I'll do you dirty, yeah.
Hi y'all, this is PlentyofJenny here, and I know my hair looks literally crazy, but it's okay because I'm about to fix it and I'm about to show y'all how y'all do a silk press at home. I'm about to go wash my hair. I'm not gonna show me washing my hair on camera just because I wash my hair in the kitchen sink and I need to concentrate when I do that because I need my scalp to be clean. But the key to a silk press is having silk products, if that makes sense. I know that sounds kind of dumb, but basically what I mean is your shampoo and your conditioner has to specialize in either keratin or it has to say silk, like bio silk. You have to use clean combs, clean brushes. You can't have any like residue from like old hairstyles because that'll cause your hair to weigh down. And another key is using like Silk Infusion before you blow dry or straighten your hair, and your flat iron is also very important. Anybody can do a silk press by themselves. It's not that hard, and I told myself, why would I go out there and pay somebody $60 when I can do it myself? So when I'm washing my hair, I'm going to be using this shampoo, Tresseme. My voice. I'm going to be using Tresseme's Keratin Smooth with Marula oil, and it says it has 5 benefits in one system: anti-frizz, detangle, shine, soften, and tame flyaways. And that's what you need for a silk press, 105. And then for the conditioner, it's the same Tresseme Keratin Smooth Conditioner. I'm not sure how long I can leave this on, but I'm gonna leave it on for at least 30 minutes. So I'm gonna come back to y'all after I wash and condition my hair, and I will see y'all later.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna start off by sectioning my hair into 4 different sections. This just makes it a lot more easy and manageable for me when I'm doing my hair. I pretty much have my hair in 4 sections throughout the entire video. It's just easier. Like I said, the parts do not have to be perfect. You can clearly see that mine are nowhere near perfect, but yes, this is what I do. You can clearly see how dirty my hair was, so I apologize for that. But yes, so I'm putting one half of my head up just to concentrate on the other half. And I'm sorry, I was singing this throughout this whole video. I was listening to music. But then I'm just gonna part the other half of my head into 2 sections, and then I'm just gonna clip them away. And once again, the parts do not have to be perfect. Mine are nowhere near perfect. And also, I don't know if you guys were able to tell yet, but the front of my hair is a lot shorter than the rest of my hair. The reason being, I am just now recovering from heat damage, so I cut off the heat damage in the front of my head, and that is why it is very, very, very short. It actually grew a lot. It was cut above my eyebrow, and now it goes down to my cheek, so it looks a little bit better now, but yeah, it was pretty bad. So that's why my hair is uneven, but yeah, y'all get the picture. So I'm just going to do the exact same thing to the other side. And yeah, I'm gonna speed it up now because y'all don't want to see the same stuff. So this was after I shampooed my hair, and I left a little bit of shampoo on my edges by accident. That happens to me all the time, so it's okay. So now what I'm going to be doing is applying conditioner to the first section, and I'm just going to put a pretty decent amount, just enough to lather it and put some type of moisture in it. And yes, so you're going to see me do that. So right here, you're going to see me detangling the first section. Basically, what this does is it just makes it a lot more manageable to put more conditioner in my hair. It allows me to run my fingers through it. I highly do not recommend detangling your hair while it's dry. And also keep in mind, guys, if y'all see like a lot of like strands of hair coming out while I'm combing, I just took my hair out of a sew-in like yesterday, and all my girls out there know how it is when you just take a sew-in out and you have a lot of hair that comes out because you haven't combed your hair in months. So yeah, don't be alarmed by that. So right here, I'm gonna be splitting the first section into two smaller sections, and after I do this, basically it's just gonna allow me to really soak and lather my hair in the conditioner. It makes it easier for me, and yes, the goal is easy here. We don't want to make things harder on us, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So right here, you're going to see me split the smaller section into another two separate pieces. And basically, I'm just going to twist that section after it is completely detangled and it has more than enough conditioner on it. And as you see me twisting my hair, you're going to see like white residue. That is the conditioner. That's how you know that your hair is moisturized. So yes, that's what I'm going to do throughout my entire head, you guys. So this is how my hair looks after I detangled and put the conditioner on each section. I have way more sections than 4 now, but what you can see me doing right here is putting my hair in the conditioning cap, and it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just gonna let my hair sit in this conditioner for about 45 minutes, and I will get back to y'all. So right here, you guys are going to be seeing me show my clean scalp. Then I'm going to be spraying each section with heat protectant, and I'm just going to get right into the blow drying. Yes, I did switch angles. Sorry, I just felt like the other angle was awkward. But here you're going to see me spraying the heat protectant, and then I'm just going to blow dry my hair, pretty basic. And when I blow dry, I do use the chase method as well, and I use my paddle brush. The key when it comes to blow drying is you want your roots to be as straight as possible. That makes the flat ironing process a lot easier as well. So I'm going to be focusing mainly on the roots, and then also getting the end straight, but it's easy to get your end straight with a flat iron. So focus on the roots. I'm going to be repeating this same process throughout the rest of my head. So here you can just see that the first section is pretty straight just from blow drying. My roots are very straight, and I'm just going to do this to the rest of my head. Right here, I'm just showing you guys how my hair looks 100% blow dried. All of it is completely dry. My roots are pretty straight. Afro. My front is still uneven, but yeah. So right here, I'm going to be showing you guys the flat irons I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using two separate ones. I believe both of them are Infiniti Pro by Conair. One is just 1 inch and it's titanium, I believe. And the other one is a regular ceramic 1.5 inch or 2 inch. I'm not sure. But yes, I'm going to be using that. And I'm also going to be using my Silk Infusion. I'm only going to be using about a dime size amount. That's what the instructions say. And I'm going to be literally putting it throughout my entire head and add more if necessary. Right here, you're just gonna see me parting my hair, very, very, very small sections. And this is how I'm just gonna begin flat ironing. And of course, when I start flat ironing, I'm going to be using the chase method. Once again, the key is to focus on the roots. So make sure your roots are getting very, very, very straight. This is just a quick clip of me showing how my hair looks so far. My roots are very straight, as you can see, so that is the key. So this is what my hair is looking like after all of it has been flat ironed. As you can see, the short pieces in the front look like bangs flat ironed. So basically I curled one side just to get that little flip effect, and the other side is flat. I do not want it to look like that. We want body. So I'm going to be going into like small sections of my hair and just giving it a quick little curl. So right here you just see me kind of playing with it, running my fingers through it and combing it consistently just to mess around with it and play with it until it looks like how I like.
So y'all, this is the finished product. It's a little frizzy. I went outside, so it got a little frizzy, but yes, this is how it looks. I think I did decent. And then obviously I would put on like some edge control on my edges before I go out. But yes, if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe. I'm new to this, but I'm true to this, I promise. So yes, y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video.